Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I'm going to show my trade based on the candlesticks pattern, how I booked a profit on that particular stock. So that is called Mindtree. So such a good candlesticks pattern that was happening by yesterday, and that was giving you such a great opportunity today. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. Again, if you are new to my YouTube channel, just watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Right? So let's say, can you able to find out that candlesticks pattern? Anyone? So is it possible to find out the candlesticks pattern, what it is forms? So I can find out the candlesticks pattern. This one, the separating line, bullish kind of candlesticks pattern. When the separating line bullish candlesticks pattern, there is a bullish um, pattern based on two candlesticks. So this was happening by yesterday and today, where you see that from 4,400 yesterday's close, but now today market is 4,900. So almost 500 point increased within a day. So that is the power of this candlesticks pattern where we are using that particular one. So the same candlesticks pattern I was updated on yesterday on my Telegram group. So how many of them focusing that? So yesterday I have shared that a lot of stocks which comes under here separating line bullish, that is we have shared by yesterday. So let's see Mindtree, Power Grid, Tata Consume, Tata Motors and Voltas. So here I selected Mindtree, the huge from almost 10-12% now. So this is the scanner which I've already provided the scanner with the free of cost on my Telegram group. You can go and search the scanner and take it from that group and you can use it. And this one I selected from this list Mindtree. Let's say the Mindtree, how it is performing today. So where you are seeing that the performance of Mindtree today. So what we have done, right? That is what another important. So what we are normally focused. This is what our buy entry. Let's say this is what our buy entry point, and this is what a stop loss. But what happened in this trade? It will never give you any trade opportunity because it is open above the previous. This is open above this gap up. Like this is a gap up which is called a technical gap up. So it is entirely gap up from the previous highest range, right? So that kind of pattern which is forms in the stock. So showing you some strong bullish using the candlesticks pattern. So we find this stock having a strong bullishness to rally upside. So we selected based on this two candle alone. So separating line bullish. So that scanned by our scanner by previous day. So that image which I shared on my Telegram group here, Mindtree. So if you are going to scan based on the scanner, you will be getting that, and you can find out that kind of stocks. And what we have done the trade when the market is started moving higher, we have buy 4,500 call option. So because of we are bullish about the stock and trying to take a buy opportunity in the particular stock, that's why taken 4,500 call option. So nothing but, and this is the trade which is 4,500 call option started by 225 and it moves maximum of 499. So almost this option is increased near about 144% from the previous close. That means almost double the premium. Sure. So normally when I took the trade, so I will focus in the money options or at the money options. I'm not going to play with the OTM options because OTM options having a time value issue. So to avoid that, I'm using ATM or even most preferably I was doing with the ITM options because it doesn't have a time value effect. Even if the trend is going against us, we are going to lose the time value and premium also. But we are planning such a good trade based on the candlesticks pattern, and also I'm focusing there is a higher level breakout based on this hammer candle. So inverted hammer where there is a previously it is forming an inverted hammer and it is giving you such a profit. But this I should be the very crucial level. So once it is broken, so 100% we are confirmed there is a big move on that particular stock. So simply we are buying the naked option that was giving you such a great profit we have booked today, and also uh, the Buja, right? Today, the Buja, like we are celebrating now. Those who are already attend my classes, they are know very well how to plan the trade, and those who are joined with me, they are getting that kind of profit. And how much profit which I make in this particular trade where I was taken a 4,500 call option, right? So let us share my profit which I done today on Mindtree alone. So another trade which we have done in a TCS, that is moving good. So we booked almost 25,000 now, and but after that it is keep on increasing. So this trade which I taken by 50 rupees on TCS, 50 rupees my buy entry and exited by 65. Now it is trading 72. But I got such a good profit of 24,000. So more than 30% or 40% of my investment. So it's good enough. And where you see the Mindtree where we are discussing, there is a profit of 57,000. This is happening by intraday itself. I'm not holding. So today morning I was taken the position and I have closed earlier. Almost 57,000 we are booking the profit in Mindtree. So that is a very big profit where it has happened in an intraday itself, right? And the second one, 57,000, and another one Mindtree. Here another client is booking around 40,000 rupees on Mindtree from 350 to 450, almost 100 point, 400 lot size, just booking such a great profit of somewhere around 40,000. And again, what is the trade which we have taken? Mindtree second clients, second then we booked okay, Mindtree 30,000, and this one I think this one is not opening right now. So there also we are booking almost 40,000 in Mindtree alone. 57, 40, 40. So 80 plus 57, almost 1,37,000 with the three clients. They are shared with the screenshot. But some other client may book then they will share the screenshot by the evening. But today is the puja and other things. We are booking the profit. Such a great profit. So that is based on the candlesticks pattern. And also TCS. How many of them watching? Today I booked some good profit of TCS. Sorry, Wipro. Almost 25,000 intraday itself I have booked. And how many of them watching? There is a spinning top candle on the day one. If you are going to check it out, you can check it out. That is happening by 640. Now it is 728. I was taken that today. That is good. And another important candlesticks pattern, if you are focusing out, there is a Harami pattern. They recently gives the entry, but I was not traded. But today I find out that opportunity. I got such a good and previous shooting star. This was broken by opening itself. Just simply I taken a 700 call option. This particular entry point will book a 700 call option. I was sorry, this particular time intraday I was taken a 700 call option, but positional I was taken by 660 call at 50, exited by 65. Now it is trading 74. Such a huge profit where we are booking on TCS also. So if I share with the TCS profit today, so you can see, and TCS 24,000. Wipro, not TCS, 24,000, again a 24,000. Another client also who booked a 24,000. This image is not opening. So almost 324, almost 72,000 the profit where we are booking on a Wipro, not TCS, Wipro. So only two trades, somewhere around 40 plus 20, 64,000 we are booking for each client. That is a huge profit where we have made today. That is about my intraday trade that I have discussed here. And also I am holding Jubilant Food. So there also I was booking such a good profit. So this is a Jubilant Food. Here, sorry, not Jubilant Food. So there are Godrej. Jubilant Food we already exited 2 days back. And Godrej Properties. So that is also we are booking somewhere around 27,000. It is a positional trade, not for intraday, and capital required is high. So if you are following my Telegram channel, you know what we are doing. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.